Hello, thank you so much for watching. You are welcome. Just as I promised in our last training video that today we are going to learn how to advertise on Facebook. That's paid advertisement. So today, by the grace of God, that is what we are going to learn. So, but before we go to our page, definitely you must learn you have to input your payment details. Your payment details. So you scroll down. If you are watching right now, I hope you can see my mouse. I will click on payment settings. You go to payment settings. I don't For now. I'm a fan of GT Bank, so it's GT Bank I use. But I don't know other banks also other their payment is accepted, but I'm sure it should be MasterCard. So all you need to do is you click on new, or you edit your debit card or add new. You click on your card number, you click on your expiring date, you add your security code. So please, if you know that you are now doing business on Facebook and you are inputting all these details, you have to be aware of where you log in. Be careful on logging in with other people's device. So immediately you update your payment details, you are good to go. That is all for that. Then you go to your blog. We are not going to use the blog that we just created yesterday because of it has no much content. Yeah, so now I'm going to use one of my blog, Mom on Point blog page. I think it's one of the page I love using so much. So I'll just pick one of my recent posts so that we can use that to learn how to advertise on Facebook. Okay, I think let me just use this one. So let's say, for instance, I want to boost this advert. You see, this one I've not boosted it. I just posted it and it's just 41 people that have seen it. I can equally just share to people to see. But if I want targeted audience that I'll pay Facebook in dollars or in naira, but at least $1 per day, that's the minimum you can advertise on. So you have to input your payment details. So like this one I'm saying, your ad may not run image with a high proportion. Yes, then normally if there's too many write-ups on the image, it might not be accepted. And even if it is accepted, it might not reach it might not reach more people. The advert may not reach more targeted people. So, but that is not what we are here for, right? So right now, once you get here, what you need to do is you need to edit your audience, how many people you want it to reach, what's their location, what's their interest, and so on and so forth. I hope you are seeing my mouse. So here I can decide that, okay, like this page, I think this one is about stay-at-home mom, and I'm targeting women, right? So let me say I'm targeting age 24 to 50 because mostly at 24, ladies are already married, they're having kids, and they don't want to go back to their job. They are looking for something that they can do from their comfort zone. So the gender, I can choose either all men and women, or women only. I think I'll go for women. Then location, this place, location. Who do I want to reach? I want women in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Benin. I can also add Kano. I can say Kano State. Okay, Kano State, Nigeria. I can also add Mina. Okay. Mina is not showing here. Or maybe I didn't spell it right. Is it double N now? Mina, Nigeria. Good. So you see, you can add up to even 10 locations. So then, aside from that, I will check their interest. Maybe I will say women that are interested in business, right? You can say business. I can choose women that are interested in business. Okay. I can also say women that are interested in entrepreneurship. So now you'll be wondering why some certain messages, you'll be seeing some certain adverts on your profile. Is because something that in your profile picture on Facebook, you have indicated that you're interested in football, or you're interested in business, so these are the things Facebook will now use to be able to locate you with their advert so that you know people that are interested in particular things. So that is that. And you can add, I can say fashion, people that are interested in kids and so on and so forth. But because of the for the purpose of this advert, that is it. So now I have choose that it's women, I've choose the age, I've choose their interest, I've choose their location. Okay, all I need to do now, I will save. So it's now telling me that how many days do I want it to run. This one is telling me like 3,020 dollars. So I can now choose how many days I want it to run. Is it $1 per day? So I can choose it here. But the minimum, okay. So this one now is telling me. So here I will choose how much I want to spend on this advert, and it's telling me how many people it will reach. It's asking me the duration. So I can say I want it for just 1 day.